A mild 1.1% growth in PAX Gold is projected by CoinDataFlow for tomorrow. To begin, here's a quick look at the recent price behavior. According to the current data, PAX Gold has moved down 0.6% today and sits around $4,124.80. Moving on to what analysts are projecting. According to CoinCodex, we might see $4,132.88 by July 8, about 0.2% higher than now. Coin price forecast expects PAX Gold could approach $4,141, an estimated move higher of 0.4%. 30 rates points out it might climb toward $4,163, roughly 0.9% higher than now. Another estimate by CoinDataFlow suggests PAX Gold could edge upward to $4,170.58, a projected increase near 1.1%. And lastly, Gulf Capital Collector projects the price at $4,173.53 by July 8, which is 1.2% above today's price. This is the top return projection of all we covered. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. From all projections combined, the move could be from an increase of 0.2% to a gain of 1.2%. After comparing all 5, Gulf Capital Collector leads with 1.2% upward change in value by July 8. Put simply, you could come away with between $2 and $12 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, CoinCodex's forecast is the most probable, showing a 69.9% likelihood of being correct. From the 5 forecasts, I've developed one aggregated consensus scenario. Consensus calculations indicate PAX Gold may climb toward $4,156.20 with a gain near 0.8%. Let's unpack the numbers. Consensus numbers show a 0.8% rise by tomorrow. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 0.8%. With $1,000 invested, the potential upside could be about $8. The probability of this consensus scenario being realized is around 63.3%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. For this horizon, CoinCodex expects the chart to remain flat, with minor fluctuations only. Meanwhile, coin price forecast expects PAX Gold to hover near its present value, showing very limited change. A positive outlook is shared by 30 rates, pointing to more gains. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow sees the price heading higher. Also, Gulf Capital Collector expects strength on the upside. When the different perspectives are blended, the consensus forms an upward projection for PAX Gold in the short run. Overall, 80% of forecasts highlight a higher path for PAX Gold. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. As a result, the daily candle closed at $4,150.60. In this case, only 2 forecasts lined up with the actual move. The nearest result to reality came from Traders Union. Time to organize the results. Yesterday's trading range included 2 forecasts. For ROI, multiple analysts achieved profits, though Traders Union held the top spot at 0.7%. And now comes the recap. All forecasts compared side by side. Also worth noting, 30 rates had a forecast probability of 50.1%, $91.40 accuracy, and minus 0.3% ROI. Try to spot the analyst with the most accurate outcome. Now we'll see how PAX Gold stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. At 3rd place we find PAX Gold, while Bonk continues to lead at 4.8%. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while extended return comparisons are already available on my website. If you made it to the end, you're awesome, and if this was helpful, drop a like. I'd really appreciate it. See you in the next update.